Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video, which is a time-lapsed wave with just like a paint pour, fluid art, and I'm using all pre-mixed colors, about half paint, half water. And then I did add a couple of drops of silicone to the blues, so the medium and the dark blue, not the light blue, the gold, or the white. So anyway, these are the Blick acrylic paints, and the canvas is from Michaels. It is a level 3 24 by 30 inch canvas. I'm just tilting off excess paint, and all of these you can mix using just white, blue, red, and yellow. I have a baby powder blue, which is going to be my negative space, a middle toned blue to help with the transition, and then I have a deep blue as well, and then the gold. So I'm just layering all of these paints in a very specific order so that when you blow them out, you get kind of a 3D effect, like the water splashing out at you. And then the gold is just for a fun metallic pop. And then this canvas as well, I'm going to be putting resin on top just to make it, shiny, and I don't know, just gives it that little extra finish. Just drizzling on a little extra white here, and then let's blow it out. So for this one, I actually end up going back and kind of fiddling with it. I really liked how the right side turned out, but the left needed a little bit of work, so I do end up pouring some white back over that left corner just to kind of brighten that up and fiddle with it. Here I'm just adjusting my sides, adding paint. I'm just dipping my finger into the paint that dripped off the side and covering all of the white space. Here I am just blowing out some details and kind of fiddling just to adjust and get more balance in the photo, and just kind of adjusting the composition so that things look more how I want them to. So I'm just adding some blue up here, blending that together. I'm blowing out with the straw to get a little bit more control, and then I'm adding just like some more colors in places where I think just needs a little balance. Here I'm doing little wispies, adding some white, and I fiddled with this for quite a while, so this is definitely the longest part of the painting. Pouring it on and blowing it out is one thing, but then kind of adjusting and playing with it until you get the final result you want is another. So yeah, just speeding along here. I've sped up the entire video because I think the entire thing took me about 3 hours just to mix the paints, pour, and then fiddle. This corner here I redid so that it was more balanced with the right side of the canvas, and then adding a little bit of gold in that corner to match the right corner and just kind of tie it all together. I wanted it to be not completely symmetrical, but balanced, I guess. And then even off camera I did a little bit more fiddling, but I will show you the dried result at the end of the video. So yeah, I just added some blue there to kind of tie in with the blue on the right side. And then torch it to pop any air bubbles. I'm actually going to be putting resin on this piece, so it'll be really nice and glossy. I'm really excited. I haven't put it on yet, but hopefully by the time this video comes out, it'll be all resined and dry, so I can show you how it looks with the gloss too. I feel like overall I'm just honestly in love with this piece. I'm obsessed. I feel like it's my best one yet. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know if there's anything else you want to see from me. Alright, I will show you the dried result. Okay, here it is, the final dried result. You can see I filled with it a little bit more, but I just overall am obsessed. I love it. Let me take you in and show you some details. Okay, so this is the top right corner. And then just taking down, look at these. Ah, look at the cells. It's insane. The gold is very pretty. I do like it a lot. Oh my god, literally, look at that. I mean, I honestly just, I can't. I can't handle it. Okay, so this is the one section. It was like going off a little bit, so I did fiddle with that off camera. Like, look at that corner. I just love it. I love how 3D it looks. Just stunning. The gold, yeah, what can I say? It's beautiful. It's not super iridescent, but it is a little bit, and I do love it. I feel like overall, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. There's a little bit, I didn't even notice these at first, but there's like these little areas where it's not complete. I don't know, it doesn't feel raised, but like from a distance you can kind of see. I wonder if when I put the resin on, if these will kind of, like, you won't even be able to notice them. But anyway, that is the final piece. I will show you with resin. Oh my god, this is the result with resin, and I am obsessed. I feel like the gold really popped out. Yeah, I don't know, I just love it. I feel like the colors really stand out better. It's like shiny. It dried really nicely too. I love that part right here. Oh my god. Oh yeah, can you see it? Like the gold, how much it pops, like right here. Yeah, I love it. This is my first large piece that I've ever put resin on, and I don't know, I just think it's really pretty, and it really just adds, I don't know, such like a beautiful finish, and it really brings out your colors. So overall, I'm obsessed. I love it. Please let me know what you think. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and if you like this video, like it, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, and let me know what you want to see next. And yeah, have an amazing day and weekend. Bye everyone.